As we move to more tighter noxious emission standards, perhaps stage 6, tier 5 in the US, it's going to make machines with engines more expensive. So that brings the TCO, the total cost of ownership equation, more towards the battery electric. So it's an advantage for both small machines and large machines. I think for the small machines that don't necessarily meet stage 5 with a low NOx limit, that's nitrous oxides, it will increase the cost significantly. So a battery electric might be considerably lower priced than a diesel there. For larger machines, it's really about the end use, how many hours is it doing it, and the total cost of ownership. Will you get a payback on the diesel versus the battery? But certainly for small equipment, it will make it a lot more expensive for future noxious emissions, and therefore battery will be cheaper from a whole life cost point of view. I think it's a good idea to standardise battery charging across particularly job sites, because you might have a mix of different OEMs machines and only one type of charger or 2 or 3 types of charger for different machine types. So if you think about different voltage levels, you really want to have the same charging, so standardisation there to allow you to charge different OEMs machines would be beneficial in bringing the whole site cost down. If you look at all the net zero policies, so decarbonisation, we're going to need alternate fuels. That's not just battery electric, but fuel cell, probably so hydrogen fuel cell, hydrogen combustion engine. We might need renewable diesel, biodiesel, so FAME, 100% FAME. We're going to need all of those because of the broad mix of machines across different sites. So both construction equipment, it's not necessarily used in one place every day, it might be used remotely. Having that mix of fuels where you can't get to a grid to charge it is going to be really necessary to meet decarbonisation.